Dire's middle tower is under attack. Dire's bottom tower has fallen. Dire's middle tower is under attack. I feel like a broken record. It would appear Radiant's top tower is under attack. Dire's middle tower is under an extraordinary amount of stress. I am required to point out that Dire's middle tower, Radiant's top tower, is under attack.